How do I add a reinforcement fee and commitment lock to a habit? To supercharge your accountability, you can add both a fee and a lock either when you create the habit or later. Follow the steps. Simply click on the habit name instead of clicking on the sphere. This should happen in the home page. Here you can see your habit details. Click on the three dots icon at the top right of the screen. Click on Edit Habit. Press on the reinforcement settings if you need to edit some of your reinforcement or commitment lock settings. Add a reinforcement fee. It is optional but recommended. 1. Turn on the reinforcement switch. 2. Pick a cause of preference. 3. Set a dollar amount. If you miss your habit, your fee will be donated minus taxes and at 2% to a cause you choose. Learn more about reinforcement fees in our blog post. Important: if this is your first time adding a negative reinforcement, you might need to add a valid credit card payment to continue. 4. Add a commitment lock optional. Want extra accountability? Lock in your settings for 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. Important: commitment lock feature is only available for subscription-based levels. 5. Hit Save Changes, and you're good to go. Reap the rewards. If you stick to your habit, you keep your money and feel like a champ. If not, at least your fee goes to a good cause.